Okay, so what I want to show you here is how to hook up the function generator with the oscilloscope. So what we'll do, just to get the I gotta get a sine wave and try to practice with the oscilloscope to try to find the voltage and the time. We're going to put the positive from the function generator on the probe. So all you have to do is basically pull on the little piece at the tip of the probe, burn in, and then the alligator clip, also with the probe, hooks up on the black wire of the function generator, and there's a little switch on the actual probe itself. Make sure it's on ×1 because the function generator generates only 12 volts. So by putting it on the 5-volt scale, we should be okay to get a sine wave. So we'll turn both on. We'll turn the function generator on. We'll turn the oscilloscope on. What we want to do for now is just put it on the 60 hertz scale. So we're going to choose right now we just turned it on, and you see that there's a triangular waveform. We're going to choose a sine wave, hit the 100, and put this to approximately 0.6, which gives us 60 hertz. So now what we want to find, we're already on the 2 millisecond scale, which is perfect for this, but if you see, if we go to a 5 millisecond or a 1 millisecond scale, so what you want to do is make sure that you get one sine wave as stretched out as possible to get the best resolution possible, to get the right time and then the right frequency. What's important is that you hit the ground button, or if your oscilloscope has some sort of switch, like you see up here, make sure you put it on ground. Ground basically reassures that you're going to center your waveform. So usually on the oscilloscopes you have this up-down arrow knob. So we want to center it, remove ground, and we want to basically start on the left-hand side of the screen. So if you look at the horizontal scale here, where you chose basically your time scale, you want to go to the left, and now you'd be able to plot and also calculate your voltage, which is your amplitude here. So we have 2.1 divisions, 5-volt scale. So that's around a little bit more than 10, 11 volts. And for your time scale, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, around 8.5 divisions. So 8.5 divisions multiplied by 2 milliseconds gives us 17 milliseconds. So if we were to calculate 1 over 17 milliseconds, we get approximately 60 hertz. Okay, so that's what you're aiming for. Okay, when you're done, let's turn off the equipment.